In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme and fonts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site's themes area, how to switch to a new look with a single click, and how to fine-tune fonts and colors so everything feels consistent and easy to read. This is a quick, low-stress process, and you can always change your mind later, so feel free to experiment as you go. Start by opening your site and heading to the right-hand menu. Look for the Themes tab. This is your design control center, where you can view all the styles available to you. Click the Themes tab to open the gallery. You'll see a range of options from clean and minimal to bold and colorful. Think about what fits your brand or content, professional, playful, editorial, or something in between. The goal here is to find a starting point that already does most of the visual work for you. Now browse the available themes and click one to apply it. When you select a theme, your site updates to show you how that design behaves across headers, navigation, buttons, and overall spacing. Take a moment to look at a few pages so you can get a feel for the layout and typography choices baked into that theme. If something doesn't fit, that's okay. Simply click a different theme and compare. This is where you can move quickly, trying a few options until one feels right. Remember, you're not locked in. Switching themes is designed to be simple and reversible. Once you've picked a theme, it's time to personalize it. To change fonts or colors, use the Customize options under the selected theme. Here you can adjust typography for headings and body text, set sizes and weights, and choose a color palette that supports your content. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to keep things readable. If you're pairing fonts, consider a clear, sturdy typeface for body text and a complementary option for headings. Keep your palette focused. 2 or 3 core colors plus neutrals usually look polished. As you tweak, glance at key elements like buttons and links to ensure they still stand out and are easy to identify. That's it. Open your site, go to the Themes tab, pick a theme you love, and then use Customize to dial in fonts and colors. Take your time, trust your eye, and focus on clarity. When you're happy with the result, your site will look cohesive, professional, and unmistakably yours.